Nursery had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.